Hey guys, this is the Anything Cook.
And today he will be cooking.
Let's have some fun. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Milan, and today guys is day number, 546 of lockdown. Anyways guys, today is my turn to cook, and because I work from home, I need something quick and easy to make guys, with simple ingredients. So I said, hey, let's make some canned or tinned fish curry. Now as you know guys, tinned fish or tinned foods in general do not have a lot of flavor. So let's pack some flavor into this and let's get started. So let's check out those ingredients, guys. So these are the three main ingredients that we are going to be using besides our normal masalas. First up, we have some chopped onions. This is one chopped onion. Then we have our chopped tomatoes. This is two tomatoes. And lastly, we have our tinned or canned fish. In South Africa, this type of tinned fish is very popular. It is pilchards in tomato sauce, but you guys can use any type of canned or tinned fish that you can find, as long as it is in tomato sauce. Next, we have our powdered spices. So this is your Garam Masala, your Chilli Powder, your Turmeric, your Dhana Jeera powder, and some paprika. And finally, we have our hard spices and our wet pastes. So let's see, we have our red chili paste. This is strong chilies. It will add to that flavor. We have our cloves. We're not going to use this many cloves. I just put them here for representation. Cinnamon stick. Our curry leaves. Our garlic and ginger paste. And our ground black pepper. As always, we will also need some salt and oil. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so we have our pot and we put the stove on medium heat. I'm going to add some oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. That's about 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm going to add my powder spices. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 heaped teaspoon of paprika powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala Powder. 1 teaspoon of Dhana Jeera powder. Okay guys, then the chili paste, red chili paste, 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna put in only 2 cloves. 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 heaped teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, and then your curry leaves. Okay guys, then just stir it up. Just fry those spices for about 30 seconds. Don't want to burn the spices. Okay guys, then we are going to add our onions, chopped onions. This is 1 onion. Stir that up. It already smells delicious, guys. So we'll leave that to cook. Close the pot and let it cook. So guys, the onions have been cooking for about 10 minutes. They're looking softer, which is the goal. The goal is to get the onions soft. And they're looking nice and soft now. Once the onions are soft, you can add your chili powder. So 1 teaspoon of chili powder goes in. Give that a nice stir. Stir it up. I added the chili powder at this stage, guys, so that it keeps its flavor and does not lose any heat. Okay, another 5 minutes and we should be good to go. Okay, it has been another 5 minutes. Onions are nice and soft now, you can see. It has browned. Now it's time to add our tomatoes. So we're going to add our 2 tomatoes from earlier, chopped. Stir it up nicely. So guys, the gravy I'm making here can be used with a lot of tinned foods, such as tinned baked beans, butter beans, sugar beans, you know. So as long as you know how to make this gravy, you should be good to go. For our other tinned baked beans recipe, our tinned baked beans chutney recipe, please see the link above. Have a look at that. It is delicious. Okay guys, we are now going to close the pot and let this cook for about 20 minutes. Then we should be able to add the tinned fish, and then we are done. Quick and easy. Okay guys, it's been about 20 minutes. So this gravy has been cooking for about 20 minutes, guys. It's looking good now. Looks like the tomatoes have cooked. It's time to add the tinned fish. Guys, if you like this recipe, please click on that like button. Okay, so tinned fish has been added. And guys, you can just rinse out the can with a little bit of water. This will just add some water into your dish to help it cook. Okay guys, now we can stir gently. Stir the mixture very gently, as with all fish. Do not want it to break apart, and especially with this one that's already cooked. Just gently stir it in. There we go. It's looking good, guys. It smells amazing. If you want, you can lift up the pan, give it a bit of twirling shake. There we go. Okay, you can let it cook for another 10 minutes just for the flavor to infuse into the fish. Guys, if you like fish curries or fish in general, seafood, check out our other fish curry in the link above. Okay guys, it has been about 10 minutes and looks good. I think we are done here. So in the end, you can just garnish with some coriander. Okay, we are ready to serve, guys. Well guys, you can see the pot bubbling behind me still. So let's taste our spoils. Delicious guys. Full of flavor. Spicy. Oof. Nice. Anyways guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video and drop a comment down below guys. Let us know what are your favorite tinned foods or canned foods. See you next time.